If you're here today watching this video, it's because you already made the best decision that you can do to save your life and move on with your smoke-free life. Here's Julie Lavoie for USA Quit Smoking. I'm your therapist who will provide you the best professional expertise available around. Here at USA Quit Smoking, we are first doing a consultation to establish your profile, and we use that information to personalize the coaching and the laser treatment to receive a service that really fits your need. And during the coaching, we will provide you all the tools that you need to move on with your new life in a smooth and as easy as possible. The laser treatment will reset your own ability to produce natural drug that has been disrupted with all those years of smoking. It doesn't matter how much you smoke, how long you smoke, it will take effect right away. So I'm here to help you and move on with your new life, and we provide you a 1-month follow-up warranty, a free laser treatment as long as you don't smoke. All you need to do right now at this point is to call or text Julie at 561-601-2128 with the date you want to quit, and we will try to respect and schedule you that day. And you can either come at one of our Palm Beach County clinic, or we can come at your location in South Florida to accommodate you. If this is like your call and you want the easiest way to quit smoking, I'm not saying it's easy to quit, but I'm saying this is by far the treatment that you can find around that will provide you the support that you need. So call me and I will be glad to help you to move on free.